Good morning, children. How are you all? In the last video, we read a poem about Chino's grandpa who loves to eat sweets so much, right? So today, we will read a poem about a girl named Shelly to find out what she likes to eat. Okay? Now, open your content book and open this poem, My Friend Shelly page. Okay? Now, I will read the poem. You please say after me. Okay, children? I know my friend Shelly well. She is by the seashore selling shells. My friend Shelly is not selfish. She always shares her dishes for shellfish. But even more than shells and fish, veggies are her favorite dish. She cheers for radish and tomatoes. She cheers for radish and tomatoes. She won't eat chips but loves potatoes. She puts some spinach with some peas, and on top she will put some cheese. Shelly will grow tall and strong. Shelly will grow tall and strong. She eat veggies all day long. So, in this poem, children, we are going to learn about a girl, Shelly. So, she sells shells at the seashore. She likes eating vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, radish, spinach, and peas very much. Shelly will grow tall and strong. Okay? Why? You know? Yes, because she eat all vegetables. So if we eat many vegetables, we will also grow tall and strong. Right, children? So children, in this poem also we have many rhyming words. So take out your pencil and underline all the words. Now I will tell you. Well, shell, selfish, shellfish, fish, dish, tomatoes, potatoes, peas, cheese, strong, long. Underline all these rhyming words from this poem, children. Okay? So, children, after listening this poem, and did you remember the poem Chino's Grandpa? Yes, you remember that, right? What is the same about this poem and Chino's Grandpa? Tell me. In the poem Chino's Grandpa, the old man used to eat sweets so much for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. All the time he used to eat sweets only. So if you eat more sugars, what will happen? What I told you in that poem. So if we eat more sweets, we will lose our teeth, right? But in this poem, Shelly likes to eat vegetables very much, right? So eating vegetables is a very, very good habit. We should not intake so much of sugar, right, children? So, Chino's grandpa ate sweets all the day, and so he had no teeth. If we eat sweets all the time, it can be harmful for our teeth, right? If we eat lots of vegetables, we will be healthy and strong. So we should not eat more sweets, chocolates, ice creams. Say no to sugar. Okay, children? If you eat more vegetables and fruits like Shelly, you will also grow tall and stronger. So children, from today, don't eat any chocolates, ice cream, sweets. Okay? Eat only fruits and vegetables. It is very healthy and good for your body also. Now we will do our worksheet 2. Take out your pencil and eraser. Write down the date first. Coming to first bit. Write about the poem My Friend Shelly. So here we need to write about my friend Shelly poem in detail. So, one is done for us. See, about Chino's grandpa they gave us. About Shelly, we need to write now. See, the poem is about Chino's grandpa. So, this poem is about whom? Shelly, right there. Shelly, Shelly. Then, Chino's grandpa likes sweets. What Shelly likes more? Yes, Shelly likes veggies, or you can write there vegetables. Then, see bit. Rhyming words in Chino's grandpa. Here also we need to write the rhyming words from the poem My Friend Shelly. Tomatoes, potatoes, peas, cheese, strong, long, fish, dish. Write all these 4 rhyming words. Now we finished our first bit. Now we'll go to second one. Yeah. What is the same in 2 poems? So we studied 2 poems in this video, right? One is Chino's grandpa and one more is My Friend Shelly. So what the things which are same in the both poems? Can you say? Yes, the both poems are about a person and what he or she likes to eat. So write the same there. Then go to third bit. What is different in 2 poems? So what the differences you find in both the poems? Very good. Chino's grandpa likes to eat sweets, but Shelly likes to eat what? Vegetables. So write there. By these we finished all our 3 bits in this worksheet, children. So that's all for now. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.